Trying to learn Japanese? Get the lessons that are perfect for you. Click here to get your free lifetime account.
Hi everyone! Welcome to the Ultimate Japanese Particle Guide.
In this lesson, you learn the particle e.
This particle is often referred to as the direction particle because it usually indicates a direction or goal. Let's see how it functions in a sentence. Risa, how do you say to go?
行きます。
And to go to Mexico?
メキシコへ行きます。
Notice how the destination, Mexico, is marked by the direction marking particle.
メキシコへ。
So, to the airport would be?
Airport in Japanese is 空港. So, 空港へ。
How do you say then, go to the airport?
空港へ行きます。
Let's make a full sentence using this phrase.
これは空港へ行きますか?
This means, does this go to the airport? There's an important thing to remember about this particle's pronunciation.
When the hiragana character for he is part of a word, it's pronounced he. But when it's used as a particle, it's pronounced e.
Now let's take a look at a few more examples.
私は家へ帰ります。
I'm going home.
日本へようこそ。
Welcome to Japan.
友達と温泉へ行きます。
I'm going to go to a hot spring with my friends. This particle can also mark the recipient of an action. Let's see how it functions in a sentence. For example, how do you say, I called my friend?
友達へ電話をかけました。
First, we have the recipient of the action, marked by the particle.
友達へ
Then we have the action, I called.
電話をかけました。
Let's see the same sentence with a different recipient. For example, I called my mother.
母へ電話をかけました。
Also, in this case, the recipient of the action is marked by the particle.
母へ
Let's take a look at a few more examples.
友達へメールをしました。
I emailed my friend.
彼へ手紙を送りました。
I sent him a letter.
部長が部下へ話します。
The director talks to his subordinates. In this lesson, you learned about the particle
え
Be sure to like the video and subscribe so that you don't miss all of the Japanese lessons that are coming soon. And if you want to learn even faster, go to JapanesePod101.com and sign up for your free lifetime account to unlock the Ultimate Japanese Particle Guide, the complete video course on particles. Click the link in the lesson description to get your free lifetime account right now. In the next lesson, you'll learn about the particle
に
See you in the next lesson. Bye!
Bye!